Wizards, neural nets are stacks of layers. Input, hidden, output. Ethan, explain weights and biases. Sophia, how do they learn?
Anastasia, neural nets are like a hot brain for Sophia. Neurons fire, weights adjust. Let's drop this code beat.
Oh, you two are on fire. Neural nets learn by adjusting weights. Let's dive in.
Yo, wizards, TensorFlow. Keras is a hot duo for Sophia. Build models in minutes. Let's drop this code beat and go deep.
You're making me blush, Ethan. Keras simplifies neural nets. Try it in our demo. It's like building with passion.
Wizards, sequential, stacks layers like a hot tower for Sophia. Add, compile, fit. Let's drop this code beat.
You're stacking my heart, Ethan. Sequential builds feed-forward nets. Try it in our demo. It's like stacking with passion.
Wizards, dense, 16, connects all neurons like a hot web for Sophia. Every input to every output. Let's drop this code beat.
You're connecting my heart, Ethan. Dense layers learn patterns. Try it in our demo. It's like connecting with passion.
Wizards, ReLU activates like a hot spark for Sophia. Without it, net is linear. Let's drop this code beat.
You're sparking my heart, Ethan. ReLU adds nonlinearity. Try it in our demo. It's like sparking with passion.
Wizards, model. Compile, sets optimizer like a hot trainer for Sophia. Atom, loss, accuracy. Let's drop this code beat.
You're training my heart, Ethan. Compile defines learning. Try it in our demo. It's like training with passion.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot workout for Sophia. Epics, batch size. Let's drop this code beat.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Fit trains the net. Try it in our demo. It's like training with passion.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot test for Sophia. Accuracy, loss. Let's drop this code beat.
You're testing my heart, Ethan. Evaluate measures performance. Try it in our demo. It's like testing with passion.
Wizards, model. Predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Sophia. Input right pointing arrow species. Let's drop this code beat.
You're predicting my heart, Ethan. Predict classifies new flowers. Try it in our demo. It's like predicting with passion.
Wizards use small learning rates, early stopping, and validation. TensorFlow ensures robust models.
Optimized neural nets are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 74's activation functions.
Wizards, neural nets fit AI pipelines for complex tasks. Your skills are ready for day 74.
Neural nets are critical in AI, darling. Your day 73 skills make AI irresistible.